What's up, Just Keep It Simple? Here's part 2 of our urine and poop 101 topic. Now we will discuss poop. Okay, now again, I know it's not a topic of choice, but this is a major part to a bigger moving part on our healthy lifestyle journey. So being knowledgeable about your digestive process can help you identify when things are normal and when they go from normal to abnormal, right? So let's look at poop. Bowel movements are healthy for our body because it's the body's natural way of releasing or eliminating waste from the body. And simply, waste is just what's left over once our body absorbs the nutrients from the foods that we eat. That's all it is, okay? Now with urine, our health antennas are triggered when we notice changes in our urine with the color and the smell, right? Now with poop, there are some additional triggers that cautions us, like frequency, shape, size, and of course the smell and color. Alright? Now, just like how urine is a blueprint of what's going on inside of our body, so is poop. They both tell a story about our health. Alright? So let's look at these few triggers regarding poop. Frequency. How often do you poop, or are you regular? So on the average, a person should poop at least 2 or 3 times a day. Alright? Maybe once, okay? Some may go more, some may go less. Is it normal? Well, your normal is your normal, right? Now, if you haven't pooped in a week or more, then that's a problem. That's something that we need to look at, okay? Because that's telling a story, alright? What about the shape? What's the shape of your poop? Is it long? Is it skinny? Is it lumpy? Is it small? What? That's telling a story too. And the number one thing you need to know is that with all these triggers associated with poop, the number one thing you need to have in your diet is fiber. That is so key. Because fiber tells a story on your frequency, the shape, the size, the smell, and the color. Alright? So, what is the shape of your poop? Examine that. Does it changes, or is it consistent? Alright? What about the size? Does size matter? Okay? Small, hard, small poop is definitely an indication of someone who has a diet low in fiber. So increase your fiber there to get a little bit more regular, softer stool, okay? Now, what about the smell? Okay, poop has a natural smell, but there are some other factors that are associated with it that changes the smell of your poop, alright? It can be your diet. What are you eating? Okay, I know when I eat pork and go to the bathroom, it is not right. It is not right, okay? Medications changes your poop smell, alright? So even for a person who doesn't go on a regular basis and that poop just sits in your colon, it's just sitting there, and you know what's happening? Bacteria is steadily increasing, toxins are steadily increasing, and you all know what toxin does. It creates other diseases and weight gain. Alright? So be mindful of that as well, because the smell tells a story too. What about the color? Poop has a normal color of like a medium brown color. There are some other colors, but what you need to know is that normal poop is like a medium brown. Once that starts to change, that's when you need to re-examine what's going on and or maybe seek professional help. Alright? So there's red, black, green, yellow, white. So all I know is that those colors are associated with some medical issues there, which I'm not an expert on. Alright? So just notice the color of your poop. Alright? So what does this all mean? Okay, well here's what I know. What I know is that you need to have a high fiber diet, okay? And you need to incorporate the green leafy vegetables and fruit in your diet, okay? And also hydrate, drink water. Water helps release toxins out of your body, okay? So with that said, again, increase your fiber intake, and just notice the changes in all of those triggers: frequency, shape, size, color, smell, because it's all telling a story. Alright? So, I hope that information was helpful. And again, consistent, healthy eating plus exercise equals your life. So just keep it simple.